Good morning, viewers. Today I am going to discuss the second phase of this chapter now. I have already discussed the first phase of this chapter in my previous videos. Please go through that so that you're gonna feel ease while attempting those questions which are going to discuss today. These sections is gonna help to those students who face difficulty in attempting editing sections. Those students who have just put their steps in competitive field, as well as those who are facing difficulty in error detection section. As you can see, I have already discussed the first four questions. In my previous sessions. Please go through that. Today I am going to start from question number 5. It has been marked here. So the question starts like that. Even after the enactment of several acts and provisions, we can see 5-year-old boys working in hazardous factories. Okay. The question is, in which part of the sentence the error lies? Okay. 5-year-old boys. You can see phrase is written like that. 5-year-old boys. Remember, we cannot write any hyphenated noun in this form. Hyphenated noun. Hyphenated noun cannot be written in plural form. Rather, we gonna use both the parts in singular form. Hyphenated noun will be always in singular form. Okay. 5-year. Our answer will be 5-year. So a question can come in your mind that, sir, hyphen is not provided in this particular question. So why should we consider this as hyphenated noun? Students, you can see that there will be a section written in blanks that punctuational error will not be counted in your examination. So we have to omit the punctuational error while detecting error in this section also. But the rule in that case will be applied for that hyphenated noun. So our right answer will be, we can see 5-year-old boys working in hazardous factories. We cannot write 5-year-old boys. Clear? Okay. Next question. She wears spectacles and so she was unable to see the gangster that attacked her last night. As you can see, last night is in V2, so attacked is also V2. So in that case, and was is also from past tense. So in that case, the construction of tense is alright, but the word, particularly this word spectacle, is not right here. As you know, I have already discussed in my previous videos while discussing basic of this chapter that some nouns are there that always come in plural form. As you can see, it is written here. That some nouns are there which is always come in plural form. We cannot move s or es from them in order to make them singular. Such nouns always take plural form of verb with them as well. So in that case, our answer will be spectacles. She wears spectacles. S, we have to add s or es with it. We wear spectacles and so she was unable to see the gangster that attacked her last night. We cannot write some nouns like spectacle, trouser, pant, binocular, sunglass in singular form. We always need to write like scissors, spectacles, pants, skirts, binoculars, sunglasses in this way, and they will be followed by plural form of verb as well. As we can see, basic is necessary while attempting these questions efficiently. If the basic is not clear to you, this section is not gonna help you. So in order to clear those basics part of this chapter, please go through my previous videos. Next questions. All the furnitures have been sold for a song as we were in a hurry to leave the town. Okay. Students, you can see the error lies in these sections. Many can say that, sir, furnitures is alright. We can write furnitures, that's why plural form of verb is there, have been sold, and the sentence construction is in present form, so it will be no error. No, my dear students. The error lies particularly in this word, furnitures. Some nouns are also there that does not take plural form. Such nouns like furniture, you can say information, bread, jewelry, etc. They are always singular in form and cannot take s or es with them to contain plural form. In order to make them plural, we need to apply certain phrases before these nouns. Like before furniture, we need to use kinds of. Before information, we need to use pieces of. Before bread, we need to use slices of. After that, we can make the plural form of these particular nouns. Like all kinds of furniture have been sold for a song. We cannot add s or es with these words. Remember that. We cannot add s or es with these nouns in order to make them plural. Rather, we need to add particular phrases before them in order to make them plural. So our answer will be all kinds of furniture, not furnitures. Remember that all kinds of furniture have been sold for a song as we were in a hurry to leave the town. So our answer will be all kinds of furniture have been sold. Here the error lies in the first sections. In the next part. Question number 8. The angry mob attacked the police officers when they came to raise the illegal constructions. Attacked here is V2 form. Came here is V2 form. Police officer is alright. Raise the illegal construction is alright. The tense is in correct form in this sentence. But the use of angry and mob together make the sentence superfluous. Mob means agitated people. Mob means a group of agitated people. Mob means group of agitated people. Right? We cannot write angry and mob together in any sentence. Whenever we write, the sentence will become superfluous in nature. So our right answer will be the mob attacked the police officer. Clear? Okay. Next. Satyajit Ray, who conceived, co-authored and directed a number of good films, was one of India's most talented filmmakers known. I have already discussed this particular rule again and again in my previous videos. This is very important rule, please write up. One of, each of, everything of, anything of, none of, neither of, either of, anything of. Whenever comes in a sentence, this particular phrase will be followed by plural noun as well as singular form of verb. Okay? In short form, the construction will be one of plus plural noun but singular verb. Right? Okay. So in that sentence or in this sentence, our error lies in these sections. Our answer will be Satyajit Ray, who conceived, co-authored and directed a number of good films, was, as we are talking about Satyajit Ray, it is singular in form, that's why was is alright here, was one of India's most talented filmmakers. Will be makers, M-A-K-E-R-S. Clear? Because one of plus plural noun plus singular verb. Here verb is not mentioned, so it is not necessary to add verb in every sentence whenever one of is there. So we have to follow the rules up to which portion it is given in the sentence. So it will be makers, one of plus plural noun, it will be makers. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 10. I think this is not your book, it is somebody's else. In this question, our error lies in the last part of the sentence. Somebody's else. Write down another rules. We can use apostrophe s with words like nobody, somebody, anybody. Okay? Nobody's pen, somebody's bag, somebody's exercise book, we can write that. But remember that whenever this word else is added with somebody, nobody, anybody, the apostrophe s will be added to the latter part, to be added to the latter one in order to suggest possessions. So our answer will be, I think this is not your book, it is somebody else's. It is somebody else's. Apostrophe s will be added to the latter part of the word. Whenever else is added with nobody, anybody, everybody, the apostrophe s will be added with else in order to suggest possessions. Clear? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. You should not put your sign on any paper that you haven't read. Here the word have, auxiliary verb have is here, so it is V3, it is alright. You should not put, should is modal auxiliary, that's why put is in V1, it is also right. Your sign, this section contains error here because sign is verb, but signature, S-I-G-N-A-T-U-R-E, but signature is noun. We need to apply signature instead of sign here in order to make the sentence right. Okay, so our answer will be, you should not put your signature on any paper that you haven't read. Okay. Our next question is, one of the firmest belief among the Hindus is that karma affects their life and also the life after death. This question is very easy to find error in it because I've already discussed this particular rule in the previous questions, like question number 9. One of is here, we have to write plural noun but singular verb. So one of the firmest beliefs, B-E-L-I-E-F-S, beliefs. Okay? Plural noun and singular verb. One of the firmest beliefs among the Hindu is, see here, singular form of verb is used. And firmest is superlative degree. We have to add the before superlative degree. So use of the here is alright. So one of the firmest beliefs among the Hindus is. Clear? Okay, let's move on to the next question. My sister has read pages after pages of the Bible. Error lies in these sections of the sentence. Please write down rules. Whenever noun is followed by a preposition and after the preposition the same noun gets repeated, both the form will be in singular form, or both the noun will be in singular form. So our answer will be page after page. My sister has read page after page, because page here is noun, it is followed by a preposition, and the same noun gets repeated in the next sections. That's why page after page, both the noun will be in singular form, page after page. Like towns after towns have conquered by the king. So it will be town after town have conquered by the king. Okay. Our next question. Last week's sharp hike in the wholesale price of beef is a strong indication for higher meat costs to come. I have discussed that some nouns are already there, that does not or that do not take s or es within. Cost, fuel is one of them. Costs, fuel, okay. Information, luggage, baggage, those are few of them that do not take s or yes with it in order to suggest plural sense. So our answer will be last week's sharp hike in the wholesale price of beef is a strong indication for higher meat cost to come. Next, my cousin brother is a cheater and he cheats his family members and friends too. In these questions, both these sections contain error. Why? Because there is no word in English like cousin, brother, cheater. These are Indianizations of words. While taking words from American or British language, we have Indianized these words like cousin, brother, cousin, sister, okay? But actual words will be my cousin is. There is no word like cousin, brother, cousin, sister. Only cousin. My cousin is a cheat, not cheater. C-H-E-A-T. This word can be used noun as well as in form of verb also. So my cousin brother is a cheat and he cheats his family members and friends too. So our error lies in both the sections like cousin, brother will not be our answer. Our answer with my cousin is a cheat. Clear? Okay, let's move on to our last question. The cattle in the meadow was terrified to hear the roar of lion which appeared to be wild with anger. As you can see, there is cattle is in singular form, right? So was is right according to your viewpoint, but this auxiliary verb is wrong here. Why? Because nouns like cattle, gentry, peasantry, police, they always suggest plurality. They can be seen in singular form, but they give a plural sense. That's why particularly these nouns, cattle, peasantry, gentry, poultry, police, people, they will always be followed by plural form of verb. So our answer will be the cattle in the meadow were terrified to hear the roar of a lion which appeared to be wild with anger. Right? Write down the rules. Cattle, poultry, peasantry, gentry, infantry, police, people. These nouns are always plural in nature. That's why they will be followed by plural form of verb as well. Clear? We have completed our today's discussions. Let me give you a bit tip. Like people is plural in form, we can also use peoples. Where? Isn't it? We can also use peoples. P-E-O-P-L-E-S. Peoples. P-E-O-P-L-E-S. We can also use peoples. Where? When it suggests a community or a particular section of people. For example, Greek peoples are brave in nature. Okay, the sentence will be right. We can use peoples whenever it suggests a particular section or group of people. So, my example is Greek peoples are brave in nature. The sentence will be right. Okay, so students, I'm going to stop the discussions of today's sessions. Please put your opinion if this session is helpful to you. Thank you very much.